So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoga. In this video, I will guide you with what is Sysdm.cpl and how you can use it. So Sysdm.cpl stands for System Device Manager Control Panel. Basically, it's a Windows system file that opens the classic System Properties window. From here you can access advanced system configurations like environment variables, performance settings, user profiles, etc. So let's see how you can use it. So first of all, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now here type sysdm.cpl. Press enter. And this will open System Properties. By default, you will be on this tab called Computer Name. From here, you can get computer description, computer name and work group. If you click on Hardware, then from here, you can open Device Manager and Device Installation Settings. If you click on Advanced, then from here you can change performance settings, user profiles and startup and recovery. If you click on System Protection, then from here you can perform System Restore. If you click on Remote, then from here you can use Remote Assistance. So this way you can use System Device Manager Control Panel on Windows 11. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.